Come with me on my first outdoor adventure for my channel as I challenge myself and my Jeep Rocky on a 4-day solo trip across the Georgia Traverse, a 390-mile trail system across the mountains of North Georgia, stretching from South Carolina to Alabama. I start on the South Carolina border and end my journey short of the Alabama line at Jack's River Fields. Along the way, I'll tackle many water crossings, meander up beautiful Forest Service roads lined with golden fallen leaves and flowing creeks, and they lead me to mountain overlooks, revealing the vast North Georgia mountains. I find some epic campsites along the way, right beside several flowing creeks, and it all culminates on the morning of my return day when I experience possibly the most beautiful sunrise I've ever seen. So follow me in this 4-part series. This is Just Piddlin Barbecue and Outdoors, and this is part 3. Morning, guys. It is 8:30 in the morning. We've already got camp broke down. Rocky's up there ready to go. Beautiful morning. Slept good last night. Didn't have to use the heater again. Probably got down into the low 40s maybe. But beautiful night. Just wanted to get a little bit earlier start this morning. Beautiful creek running right there. Sun's just popping up right over there. Beautiful, beautiful. Can't wait to see what today holds. So let's get started. So today's plan is to make it to Cooper's Creek today. I've camped there twice. Really beautiful place. I love that area. So today should be the shortest day of the trip. Maybe 45 miles or so. And so we'll see where the road takes us between here and Cooper's Creek. Trey Mountain, by the way, absolutely beautiful place as well. The actual, I'm still on Indian Grave Gap Road, but the actual road on Trey Mountain can be a bit rocky at times, which is a little slow going. It'll beat the fillings out of your teeth in some parts, but still a beautiful area. So we made it to camp today a little bit early. It's like 1 o'clock. Had a decent amount of highway miles, I guess, that helped us make up some time. But when we got to Cooper's Creek, everybody is out camping. This is Monday. I was kind of hoping that it wouldn't be like that, but it's also the week of Thanksgiving, so maybe there's some folks who are off. But all the campsites that I was hoping to get were full, so I just kept on coming this way past Mulkey Campground and Cooper's Creek Campground, and just kept coming this way in hopes that I would find something. And man, did I find something. I mean, it's close to the road, but I am literally on the creek. So this is gonna be pretty cool. But in the meantime, it is lunchtime, and I'm gonna make me a pimento cheese sandwich, some chips, and I'm gonna sit right there by the creek and maybe watch some trout swim by. That would be pretty cool. So man, what a trip again today. Beautiful ride. Wolf Creek Road, I think. Really cool road. I got behind 3 other Jeep guys on the same trail. It was pretty cool to kind of ride with somebody else a little bit. And but man, beautiful again. I love Cooper's Creek area. It's just beautiful. Feels like you're in another world, really. All right, let's fix a sandwich. I'm going healthy with the Dave's Killer bread, the good seed bread. I'm gonna have 1.5 sandwiches because I'm hungry. And that water sounds so good. There's a little set of rocks right over there. Sound real good tonight when I'm hitting the rack, but sounds good right now too. Tell me if y'all like pimento cheese. I like homemade pimento cheese better, but that's not bad. And I'm hungry. What a beautiful afternoon. I hope you guys can hear me all right. It's a little bit windy here at Cooper's Creek. But man, what a beautiful afternoon. What a beautiful place. And I know I got here a little bit early. You know, some folks might have just kept on going, tried to see how far they could get. But if I had done that, I wouldn't be sitting on this creek right here. So sometimes you just need to slow down a little bit, stop and enjoy. And I've went at it pretty hard for the last 2 days. So I want to kind of use this day to kind of relax and recuperate a little bit. Got the Gazelle T4 set up. Everything's set up, ready to go. My cot's inside. Sleeping bag, everything's set up. So chilling out for a little while. I think I might do chili dogs tonight. That might be pretty good. And all the gear that I'm using, I'll put a link in the description box down below. They're affiliate links. That'll help the channel out, so maybe I can do more of these. So I appreciate that. Check it out if you'd like. Just wanted to holler at you a minute and just kind of give you my thoughts on the day. It's a beautiful day. Rocky's done great again today. Got a little muddy today on I guess that was Wolf Creek Road. something like that. Just beautiful country, man, beautiful. I highly suggest, if you have not done the Georgia Traverse, and I'm not staying directly on course all the time, don't get me wrong, but I highly suggest that you do it. You'll see stuff that you never thought you would see here in Georgia. So, highly recommend it. About to do some chili dogs. Got the grill set up here in between the tent and the Jeep in front of that. Try to block some of this wind. It's a little windy this afternoon and it's getting chilly. Getting chilly. Ballpark. Bun size. Starting to look pretty good, get a little color. Chili's starting to bubble a little bit. Very nice. I think that's going to be pretty good. A little Sweetwater Day Trip IPA. And I'm going to say these are done. You know, this isn't a gourmet meal by any means, but when you're packing up and moving along down the trail every day, this is more of a meal that you're going to be doing. I had to put on my thicker winter shirt over my light winter shirt because it got a little cool out here a while ago. We'll start out with 2 and then see how that goes. I watch a camping guy from New Zealand. He goes camping and gets sausages or hot dogs. He'll eat all 6 or 8. I don't know how he does it. I don't know where he puts it. The hot dog, a little mustard, a little ketchup, and a little chili. This is going to be messy, but it's going to be good. Yeah. That's good. That's good. It's good for this kind of weather, little chili dogs. Well, I'm gonna eat all 8 of these. I'll see you after a while.